Hi everyone, welcome back to fourth part of our prediction market smart contracts. And in the previous parts, we created the claim winning functions and resolve market functions, and we work on lock market and more functionalities. So in this part, we are going to add more functionalities such as cancel market and claim refund and so on. So let's get started with our first cancel market function cancel market. And here we are making it external only owner, and also we have to make it market exist, which is our function modifier, and it will take market id as a parameter. Market id, and we are going to take one parameter here, uint 256 of the market id, and market exist. It is now let's take here the market storage market is equal to markets, as we did markets, and here we are going to pass this market id. Let's format this. There we go. Now let's check here if market dot status is not equal to market market status dot open and market dot status is not equal to market status dot locked, then we are going to revert an error, revert cannot cancel resolved market. So cannot cancel resolved market. There we go, and we have to declare this error above. So let's go above here in error. There we go. Now let's go back here. What is this? Now let's go down, and let's add market dot status is equal to market status dot cancel, and we need to emit an event here, market emit market cancelled. And we need to pass the market id here, right? We will declare this event above. There event market cancelled, event 256 indexed market id. Done. Now let's add our another function here, function claim refund, refund. Let's take an parameter here u256 market id. Let's make it external, and market exist. It will take market id automatically, and thanks to Copilot. Now let's take the same variable here, and go down, and let's check it here. If market dot status is not equal to market status dot cancelled, then we need to revert an error here. Let's revert directly. Revert market not cancelled. Market not cancelled, and copy this from here and go above here, and we need to declare an error here, market not cancelled. Go back, and now we are going to add here our bait storage. Baits is equal to market baits, and inside that we have to pass here market id as a mapping. And now go down, let's take a variable u in 256 of total refund, and is equal to 0. Now let's add here loop u in 256 take an I is equal to 0, and I is less than baits dot length I plus plus. Let's go down, and let's check here if baits. Let's pass here I dot better is equal to message dot sender, or and not baits, and need to pass I here dot claimed, then add total refund plus equal to baits not nets baits, and to pass I dot amount. Let's add baits here, and I dot claimed 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 is equal to 2. Now let's go down, here, and add a check here if total refund is equal to 0, then we need to revert non-refund to claim, no refund to claim. So revert no refund to claim, and let's copy this here, and pass here error no refund to claim. Let's go down. Now let's go and take a variable bool of success here. 3c bool success is equal to message dot sender message dot sender dot call. We are using call, and inside that we need to pass value is equal to total refund. And here we go down, and now let's check here if not success, then we need to pass revert transfer failed. We already declared this error. Now we need to emit an event here, refund claimed, CLAIMAD, refund claimed, and need to pass market ID, message dot sender, and total refund. Copy this from here and paste it here. Let's format the documents, and we need to emit an event here, event in yeah, event, and we need to pass one by one here. The first one, I think, market ID, and address of the message dot sender, and total refund. So let's go back, let's indexed it, indexed, go back, address indexed, better, and int 256 of amount. There we go, and that's it. So let's go ahead and create one more function, refund claimed. We immediate the event. Now let's add withdraw fees function. So function withdraw fees, let's make it capital, let's make it external, only owner, let's take a variable here, event 256 of amount, and let's take it accumulated fees. Accumulated fees is equal to 0. Let's initialize here, and let's take here another variable, bool success is equal to owner dot call, the low level call we are using here, and we need to pass an value here. Value is equal to, let's say, amount, and now let's check if not success, then we need to revert transfer failed. Copy this from here and paste it here. Let's format this forge fmt, and we formatted entire document. Now let's set platform fee. So let's add another function set platform feeds, and here we are taking a parameter of new fee percent, new fees percentage. Let's make it external and only owner, and let's check it if new percentage fees, new fee percent, if new fee percent is less than 10, then we need to revert error here, fee too high. And now platform fee percent is equal to new fee percent, right? And we need to emit an event here, platform fee updated, platform fee updated, and we need to new fee percent, we need to update this here. Now let's copy this fee too high and go above and declare this error fee too high. We also need to emit an event here. So event, what is our event? Let's go back and platform fee updated, struct event platform fee updated. We need to take here event 256 indexed platform new fee percentage updated. Now let's add our last function, then we will work on view functions. So right, so let's go and let's add our last external functions here, which is transfer ownership. So let's function transfer ownership, and only owner can transfer. So but new address, new owner, we have to pass here, new owner. Let's make it capital, and let's make it external, and only owner can transfer ownership, right? Now let's check it if new owner, let's copy this from here and paste here. If new owner is equal to address 0, then we need to revert invalid address, revert invalid address, then go down address. Let's take an address of the old owner is equal to owner. Let's initialize owner here, not winner. Owner is equal to new owner. Let's go down and emit an event here, ownership transferred, ownership transfer, and here we need to pass old owner and new owner. Let's copy this event, go above in our events, event address of the old owner and address of the new owner. Let's, what is this error? Let's make it indexed, and also make it index. Chalo, let's see. We also need to declare this error above. Error, and we did something. There we go. This is just VS Code error. And now with that I'm closing this part, and in upcoming part we are going to create view and our view and public functions. So I will see you in the next one.